Accessories like these reflect a shift in how we consume technology. User feedback and practical scenarios. Let's hear what users have been saying. Most reviews emphasize the slimness, clarity, and shock absorption. It's particularly well received by professionals, students, and commuters who need something discreet but dependable. Scenarios where this case stands out: daily work commute, outdoor activities thanks to the secure grip, office and desk work because of its clean aesthetic, content creators who want their phone branding visible while filming. Real-world tests have shown the case withstands scratches, minor drops, and temperature changes without discolorating or cracking.